What a great opportunity to run on the Great Wall. This part of the Great Wall is especially beautiful because it's old and unrestored as well as the restored bit, so you get to see both.
I'm glad that I have the chance to run on it and not just hike on it.
One of the wonder of the world.
Welcome to China, welcome to Beijing, welcome to the Great Wall.
So this is the Simatai 100. We are going up the Great Wall. Let's go!
My name is Esther Chilag and I'm a Hungarian trail runner based in Hong Kong. I always wanted to run a race on the Great Wall, so this is actually a kind of dream comes true, but also like something that I had on the bucket list. And I'm very happy to be here. Besides that, tomorrow is also my birthday, so it's a gift to myself, so to say.
This is the first time we organize an ultra trail on the Great Wall, especially in Miyun, the Simatai Great Wall. We want to combine the leisure, the trail experience together, and we attract a variety of runners to view the most gorgeous section of the China Great Wall.
Now let me tell you a little bit about this race. Today we're doing the 6 kilometer. There's also a 20, 30 and 50 this time, and then in the next rendition there'll be the full 100. Now every race starts with a climb up to this ridgeline. This is the Simatai ridgeline. It is probably the most dramatic, most untouched part of the Great Wall that you can access. So it really is a very special start. We're going to go up onto the ridgeline and then we'll start our way down from there. Right, let's go.
This race, you do see the part that normally that's not open. You don't need to worry about anything else besides running. You can just focus on your run, focus on your race, and don't need to worry about finding the road, looking for directions and supplies, waters.
I think it's definitely a wonderful experience. Most of people want to see it by their own eyes.
Views are really beautiful here. The wall feels more authentic.
So, why the Great Wall? Well, you may think of the Great Wall as just one long wall like this going off into the distance, made of brick and mortar. Oh, well actually it's made up of lots of disjointed bits of wall, and it goes for more than 21,000 kilometers. Now in the 7th century BC they started building the walls, and they just added to them to protect from the northern nomads who were coming down and raiding. You cannot get a horse over a wall, therefore it made a very good friction point. Now over the years the wall has had very different tasks, including now where it's a real sort of tourism attraction for things like this run. But the main wall, which is the one we're on now, it goes for about 8,000 kilometers along the northern part of mainland China. Oh, and it's the most spectacular. Lots of little watchtowers, as you can see, and this section at Simatai is probably the most dramatic of all the sections. As you can see, it's steep as we go up over a very jagged ridge, but also absolutely fantastic place to host a trail race.
The first year for us is like a testing. We want to testing people's reaction or the feelings, the experience, feedbacks, and also to testing our team. So we want to do a longer distance for the next year. 20 and 30 case group we want to offer a great experience for the runners. It's not especially for the experienced runner or athletic runners. Yeah, for the 6K, it's for family runners. Yeah, bring the kids together, and especially the next day of the runner days is the Children's Day. So it's the best way to celebrate.
This Great Wall run, along with this scenic spot, is one of the best sections of Great Wall to experience, not only as a tourist, but also as a trail runner. This is one of the best iconic trails in China.
Amazing, honestly. Besides the heat that is amazing.
Great trail, good organization, a lot of food and a lot of water. That's very important.
Very, very hot.
Now let me tell you a fascinating fact. This mortar right here is really the key reason why this wall still stands, and it's made up of a secret ingredient called sticky rice that was added to the mortar, and that gives it an elasticity and a strength that allows it to withhold earthquakes and the freezing in the winter and warming up in the summer. So it keeps the wall strong and waterproof.
I'm okay.
Hello, Jaro. This is the genius of the Ming Wall. This actually is a Tang Dynasty wall. It's rammed earth, and right behind it is the Ming Wall. It gave a double protection, the double dragon, which meant if you were trying to attack this, you had to go over this, and then you were stuck in between the two, and you were being fired down by the Ming soldiers. Hello, Jaro. Yeah, well done. Now, as you can see, we are right above here, Gubei Cow. This is a key strategic part of the Great Wall. You can see the defences coming down there, the old Tang Dynasty wall, the rammed earth one, and the other wall, the Ming Dynasty wall that we are walking along. You can see all the trail runners going off in the distance here. This is part of history because if you hold Gubei Cow, the choke point, you defend Beijing. It's a crucial piece of history. It's a fascinating part of the wall, and as you can see, we're running right the way through it.
That is an amazing course. Only in China you have the chance to run on such a beautiful course like the Great Wall, one of the wonders of the world.
So here we come into Gubei Water Town. Thank you. To finish the race. Now this is it's a tourist destination. It's been rebuilt since 2014 in Ming, Qing and Republic styles. It has all the mod cons, fantastic hotels, courtyard traditional hotels, all these canals, and it's a great place to base a race because you can stay here. There's a cable car that goes up, so your relatives can come and cheer you on the race. So it makes an ideal stopping place to base your race. Oh, are you running?
Yeah.
Is he running? Stiff competition.
Hopefully, in the future, that Simatai 100 is going to be every trail runner's bucket list.
And that's it. That is the Simatai 100. We did it. Well, there was a bit of controversy at the end because one of the poor kids went the wrong way, but final result, second.